નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we start our revision work in Standard 6 Social Science. Now today we start our revision with a question. It is big question, so it is like this: efforts for diversity and equality. So what is the efforts of our diversity? Diversity means differences and equality. So first we learn about diversity. So the diversity means differences we can see in religion. We already learned that there are many religions living in India. So many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, all type of religions are there. Many differences languages like Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi, English, Kannada, Tamil, all languages. Caste also we already learned that there are 4 type of caste: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Sudra and Vaishya. So where we can see the diversity in religion, languages, caste, economic status. So it is also related to status. What is the status in our society? Food is also different. In Gujarat also there is food different. If you go to South India, there is also different. So state wise there is food is also different. Festival is also different. Like in Gujarat we celebrate Garba, kite flying. So that one is our main festival. Diwali, New Year. So we celebrate this festival, same thing. In all over India, different states have also different festival. So we can see the diversity in festival. Attire means in cloth. Color complexion we already talk about that. Some people are black, some are fair. So we can see the differences in color complexions. Custom and traditions are also different. So these are etc. as well as these are also as different as geographical factors like climate is also different places. Farming is also different and forests are also different. So different land, different temperature is also we can see diversity in India. Due to such diversities, discrimination means to recognize good and bad thing. So we can see the diversity and plus discrimination like rich and poor, male and female, literature and illiterature. Literature means educated, illiterature means uneducated. We can see the differences: urban and rural, villages and towns, upper and lower caste means upper caste and lower caste. We can see differences etc. seen in our country. We can see all the differences in our country. Some are poor, some are rich, and also differences in male and female. Some also giving things to male, while some also believe that ladies are not allowed. So this discrimination we can see: rich, poor, male, female, and also literature, illiterature, urban, rural, upper caste, lower caste. At this place we can see the diversity in our country and our Asian social structure. In Asian time also our social structure was based on caste. So therefore some groups have remained economically and socially backward. So because of this discrimination, so some remain economically and socially backward. So then what happened? The living standard of the literate people. So there are different standards. So the standard of living, the literate people remains high. So because they are educated, they can get good they have full money, so they can go for the further study, they can continue, and their lifestyle is also different. So we can see the living standard of the literate people remains high. While if we can see the life of the illiterate people, means who have not studied, so they are not studied, so their remains normal because they have no money, so they can't go for the further study, and they have no money, so they can't. Lifestyle is not like that literature. Thus, discrimination has arisen due to major differences in the living standard of both classes. Student, we completed efforts for diversity. So now we will study about equality. So what are the equalities for Indian and what government decided for that? So now start the efforts of equality. All citizens have been given equal opportunity. So all citizens of the Indian have been given the equal opportunity, justice and status through the fundamental right to constitutional equality. So through the Constitution of Equality have been decided to give all citizens equal opportunity, equal status and equal justice for all the citizens. So all citizens have been given equal opportunity, justice and status through the fundamental right to constitutional equality. Second thing, free and compulsory education has been given to all children. So for all children, free and compulsory. So poor people who cannot send their children because they cannot pay the fee, they are not payable to fee. So what government decide? Free and compulsory. It is free of charge, and but it is compulsory to send their children at school. So it is free and compulsory education has been given to all children all over India. The free and compulsory education has been given. For which age? Of the age 6 to 14 years through the right to education RTE. So there is also right to education, we known as RTE. So through RTE, poor children who are not able to go to school, so they have no money, so they can get free and compulsory education. So in all over India, so person will be literate, not be illiterate. So to make our India literate people, so it is compulsory age of 6 to 14 years. They have to free of charge, and it is compulsory education for the children of 6 to 14. Then government provided basic facility like villages, roads, primary health centers, electricity, drinking water, etc. for the community development of people. To development community, to develop the people. So government also provide means give us like village road. In the village also they are provided good villages road, primary health center. So poor people also can go there. Primary health centers, electricity in the villages also they provided electricity, drinking water, and for the community development for of people. Now next one is hostel, scholarship, and the scheme of financial assistance has been implemented for the students. So for students who are studying in hostel, so they are giving hostel, so free of charge, and also giving free education, and also they have also facilities for staying there. That one is hostel. Scholarship, whose students are intelligent, they are very good in study, so they can get scholarship. So it is very easy for them, and it is not burden for their parents. So if they get scholarship, so they have to pay little fees for further studies. Hostel, scholarship, and scheme of finance to assistance has been implemented for the students. Finance assistance. Scheme of finance means they are giving some finance scheme. So in the bank also, if we know, bank also giving financial assistance. Scheme of finance. So more students who go to further study out of country or in out of state, so they need money. So some bank also give financial assistance. So scheme of financial assistance, it will also help to students who want to study further. Equal opportunities are granted to women according to Constitution provides, so that their honor and respect can be maintained in Indian society. So ladies, women also, for opportunities are also granted for women. So women also, according to the Constitution, so women also can get honor and respect in the society. So these are the equality efforts. So we can understand what is the efforts for diversity and equality. Thank you for joining us.